ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ki babon ki Khynnah Skul hari Bhoi bat ki bapuli ha ki Skul bapher ki la penpau ya ka jinkmen hadin ba ka sarkar ka la ailat ban pleno ya ki Skul bat ka ni ka jinkmen jong ki Khynnah Skul ka long hadin ba ki la hab ban shu shong khop halayeng ha ki ni ki khndiat banai bala lenno na ka daw ka jingwan lin shop jong ka klam jingpang COVID-19 ha ka ni ka jilla megaria Hakashitrik ubnai nailor arajar arpuai. Kabaderu kesngi ban ningkong baka sarkar kala ailat ban Plie Biang ki Skul. Henrei la shem baki dang dan pat ki Skul ki bempat Plie pura. Bala shem baki Skul ki ba Plieru ki duna hadu kata-kata. Hakabayadei bat ka jing Plie Biang ki Skul ka kinhon lum khobor jang ka Batisi TV kala yo lat ban Leit jingo. Ka St. Paul's Higher Secondary School ke badan Hanongpo bad hagani ka kanti ki bor penyait school ki dang penlong kelas shwa tang na ka benta ki Khynnah ki bapuli ha ka class 9 hadu class 12.
According to me, I'm very glad that we are able to open the school after many months of pandemic, especially due to this coronavirus. I feel privileged to speak to these to the students and to the parents after a long gap that we have this restraint from all the classes and academic sessions, even the activities and talents that the children has in them. So I'm most privileged to make the students to understand that after this reopening of the school, teachers and students, we were eagerly waiting for this day. And I'm being the principal of the school, so to say, I'm very happy that we are able to open with so much of enthusiastic spirit. And during this lockdown time, children are not able to exercise their talents, even the learning capacity. So during this today, I could see the children are very happy to come back to the school with so much of energy in them. And I could say that children returning to the school is one of the most privileged time or lucky time or blessed one that they are able to resume their studies. And I could see, I went around to the classes after this, after the assembly. I could see their brightness on their faces, and some of them they expressed that sister, we were longing to come back to school to resume our studies, and especially the class 10 and class 12 students. They were eagerly waiting for this day to come back and to learn again what was the loss. And students, I could understand that they have lost so much what they wanted to express, so they were not able to express during the online classes. And I hope and pray that during these offline classes, children will benefit, and we teachers and students will be able to prepare them maximum, so to say, will be able to give our best to the capacity of the expectation that children are longing for. So what I would like to speak to the parents and teachers and to all is that offline and online has a lot of difference. So if it is online, it has got only minimum, and if it is offline, we are able to interact with the students, and the learning capacity will be broadened all round. So I'm happy that we are able to open the school, and thank God for the government who has decided to reopen the school, especially for the higher section.
Hawo Biang is masih si gede before beladab na kadau jom berjinja jom lek klam baki Khynnah babun ba kiladu sebelum bijing bukai namar ba kene ko online class wala ta kaladon makenaru ni hanang pendong hane ngidong sebelum bijing ya namar ba babun ba kita benekon sat simdon ke mobile bala degidon ke mobile makenaru kene dulu kene kata kambiang te kalau bijing du ba khau wala degidon ko online class ne tairo dan dia minta kesini dah kejing kaulat yang sekar ngelayo ban Plie Biang jene ke skul bat Khynnah kelawan skul bat ngelayo ban batal pi ha perkom ke ba kambiang tena kalen jungiru musuh tunap musuh kemen sibun bat ni sembu sibun yang sekar bakal kaulat ini ba kilala ban Plie Biang ke skul.
Back in the school after so long, we are in the school now, and the message I would like to give to all the students is when you come to the school, focus first. and maintain the SOPs which have been given by the government. And I also like to thank the government that they have given a chance to come back to the school and to be in the school and learn rather than being in the home and doing the online classes. Online classes is like just 10% we used to get the knowledge, but then when we come to the school, listen to the teachers and get the full knowledge with the practicals. So it's really good to be back in the school, and I prefer everyone to be in the school and be hygienic. And I also like to thank the teachers that they are here to support us, even though in the pandemic time they have helped us through online classes with various activities doing in the home.
Manage kadaya bikala pergi ke school, tinggal ben fokus Kamra ke studies. Ke korban idan online class kalau kan jenjang mai ni kan, especially kita ke bahasa kami kendong dia dah network. Ke alis yang ini bahasa in urban areas kalau alis we can afford. Ke kalau jenjang kita dan tapat ni lah yo ban fokus Kamra. Ke kita pilih ke lah yo content explanation most important. They manage khamat ni Phai dan work hard tabing
kalian jongi ko mi Khynnah school tai so kuben sikadai ungila koi ben sa school sa isen ba ngai kulay ko sarkar bakala un kristom mo kan ni bakala yola jongi Khynnah school ban koi sa school te tong bangin pat dan self hadu kata ta in hab ni ban ong ban bud ta protocol sa sarkar hangi hab ban kristom ban kongo ya garul juga sarkar langta impat asa pu do ta ta kajing yo nam dengi tingi yo subon lagi poisa school ban online class te ni sobang poisa school mentarsi ni sokmen ya kedu blok ta men kedu nai kai ban yo kuliah dia mangilong mensua te kajing do nam kat kabun ingi Khynnah school nomor apar bangin long school imdayo tan belong ban long kumulong mensua ban concentrate je kuliah ro te mentada long school kat long alis ngira la ini nomor konstruk kumulong mensua